All right, so a quick walkthrough on how to find your standards on Planbook. So this took me a little while, I have to admit. So if you click your settings, so you're going to go in here and you're going to go to lesson layouts. So again, the little circle, go to settings. This is going to pull up this menu and you want to go to lesson layouts. You're going to click your default, the one you're on, and this is what I didn't know I had to do. So here's where you can change what it looks like in the plan. So my standards here were actually disabled. Once I enabled them, that allowed me then, when I go to, let me save that. If I go to my plans now, and I click on, let's say, biology, I now have this option under lessons, which I did not have before. So now if I click that, I can add a standard, and this is where you can find all the different standards. So for example, I have chosen US Common Core, Next Gen Standards, and US State, Colorado. But if you click plus, it's going to pull up all these options for you. So there's a ton of options. You can also filter it looking for your state, looking for whatever. You can also Command F to find your state. So Command F, I'm in Colorado. There it is. If you're in Georgia, you can look for Georgia. There you go. And that's how you can find the standards you're looking for. So you're going to click which ones you want to add. So on this lesson, I might say the same set of procedures may not always be used. Click yes, and there it is right in my lesson. So that way it's going to track all of the standards that I'm covering, which will be a nice reporting feature, especially if you teach public school. Thanks.